The leadership of the Jamaica Labour Party has provided additional explanations on why Prime Minister Andrew Holness will not call an election this year. The party, though, says while it is working to improve areas of the country, it is satisfied it has done enough to win the local government election when it is called. More in this report.
The official position of the Prime Minister is that the local government election will not be held this year. But that has not stopped the JLP's political machinery from kicking into gear. The party staged their second major political rally in Clarendon in as many weeks. The party's officials are adamant that they need to meet with the party's workers and supporters, know that the gathering restrictions have ended so they can re-energize themselves.
And we must never forget our roots. The poor people of this country provided Buster Manty with the support through the Buster Manty Industrial Trade Union to build a Labour Party there to bring prosperity and opportunity for the poor people of this country.
JLP's General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang also explained to supporters why an election won't be held this year.
We come out of a difficult time, and local elections are like a referendum on government. And we need, coming out of COVID, we have to settle the country. It was tough on the people of this country. And we have to know, as a government, take steps to settle the country, restore us to the path of growth, stabilize the communities, and work to rebuild the confidence and strength of our people in the country. So it's time. We're a government, we're not going to surprise you. So all the candidates keep working hard.
Furthermore, according to Dr. Chang, the Prime Minister does not want to divide the country along political lines during the 60th year of independence. He, however, made it clear that the JLP is not afraid of facing the electors at this time.
This government, the Jamaica Labour Party government led by Andrew Holness, have done enough infrastructure work to win the next election. They have done more roads, and they are putting in more water supply and building more houses than any other government. Right? But there's much more to be done. When they come from where you are, and I go to the police, plenty of work still to do. But people understand. Don't respect the poor people now. Jamaicans not fools. Everyone smart. When I go to university and learn at university, I walk the street and go to church and learn on the street beside them family and friend. Them understand life. And this is what's being done.
Dr. Chang, who was speaking in North Central Clarendon, also promised the party supporters in the parish that the government will soon turn its attention to the long-standing road rehabilitation project from New Longsville to Maypen. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.